Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life at SAP, and today's in this session I am going to demonstrate about how to create the background job in SAP system. So generally this background job will execute the program or the transaction code in the backend without any manual intervention. Okay, so in the real-time scenarios, in the business real-time business cases, we have to execute some program on daily basis, on hourly basis to update the tables or update any background transactions. So in this scenario, instead of doing this activity again and again in the foreground manually, we have an option to schedule a background job so that system will automatically, based on our input parameters, it will automatically execute or run the program as many times as per our uh, input parameters. So here I will show you how to create the background job based on our requirement. So for that we need to have some variant or any we need to take for an example program to execute it. So in my case I am taking this program as a example, FAGL underscore FEV is a foreign currency revaluation valuation program. So here I mentioned the company code as 2000 and the valuation area as H2, and here select the posting mode as update run, and here I'm selecting this evaluate balances and evaluate PNL balances, and then my key date would be 31/8/2023, and then click on save. So here I'm giving FHL FCV1. I'm just selecting protect variant so that no one can change this variant, and only for the background process. Yes, just click on save. See here I have created the variant. The first step is done. Now the second step would be creating the scheduling the background job. Use the transaction code SM36 to create the background job. SM36. So here CGL underscore FCV, here I'm mentioning this name, and then click on start condition. And if you need to execute it immediately at one time, then you need to select this one. Otherwise if you need this job background job need to be executed on multiple times based on date and hourly basis, then we need to click on the date and time here. And if we need to execute this job after another job, then we have to select this option. So currently I'm going with this option here, date and time. So I'm giving today's date here, and then use this one, and then click on periodic values and hourly, check, save. I'm not mentioning here any time, just to check the specific start time. So okay, so just click on F4 and I will take 35. So as per Indian time it's 10:35 now. I will be execute, sorry, as per Indian time it's currently 10:31, so I have inputted the date time as 10:35, means after 4 minutes. So currently here in Saudi Arabia we have the time is 8:05, so the program should execute in the 9 p.m. So let's see here. Okay, and click on periodic values and hourly, check, save, check, save, and then click on step here, and then here you need to mention your program name, and then here variant F4, and select the variant. This is my variant, and then click on check and click on save. Then come one step back. Here we can see my program will start at 22:35 as per the Indian time, and then just click on save. So here we can see job fagl underscore fcv saved with status release. If you click on own jobs, then you will see here, yeah, this is my job. Okay, so I am double clicking here this one. Okay, this is my job, and then it's already released. So okay, so it's already released. So I will going to another screen and I will open SM37 here. Here, and then scheduled, click on execute. Then system is showing the released one. It's showing system, it's released, but it's not started because we have given that after 4 minutes, right? So we need to wait uh, until this is started. So it will start on 8 9 p.m. Okay, so here we can see now the time is 8:10 p.m. and the job has already started and it's finished. It started at 22:36 and 10 seconds. So here we can see the result here, it's finished. If you want to see the more details about this job, whether it is executed successfully or not, we need to double click here and click on job details. Sorry, uh, so here we can see the more information here. So released 22:32 and schedule start 35 and executed from 36. It's executed on 36. Okay, so every 1 hour it will execute it now from here. And then job lock, due to generation the program need to be restarted. Finish. So this is how generally we have to create the background job in the SAP system. So I hope you guys understood the concept how to create the background job based on your requirement. Okay, that's all in this session. Thank you so much.